This is our shared home. We all live in it and benefit from it. We roam, fly and swim. In the forests and mountain tops, in savannas and in the depths of the oceans. Together, we form part of the web of life that ensures the planet's ecosystems can strive. We provide for people everywhere. The ecosystems we inhabit feed and clothe them and help them build their homes. Despite that, our survival is in danger. Thousands of species face the danger of extinction. Without them, habitats and ecosystems are in peril. This World Wildlife Day, join us in raising awareness of the future of endangered species. Together, we can change course. We can save wild animals and plants from overexploitation and restore their habitats and ecosystems.